Stopping dead in your tracks. Understanding a common English phrase. Hello and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases, focusing on the expression, dead in one's tracks. This phrase is a vivid part of the English language, often used to convey a specific situation or feeling. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, origins, and how to use it effectively in your conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, dead in one's tracks, is used to describe a sudden stop of movement or action. Imagine someone or something moving and then suddenly stopping so completely, it's as if they were frozen in place. This can be due to surprise, fear, or an unexpected obstacle. It's a powerful way to express the immediacy and totality of the stop. Understanding the origin of idiomatic expressions can often help us grasp their meanings more deeply. The phrase, dead in one's tracks, likely comes from the imagery of hunting or tracking, where an animal might suddenly stop moving, either because it's been shot or it senses danger. Over time, this vivid imagery has been adopted into everyday language to describe any abrupt halt in action or progress. To fully grasp the usage of dead in one's tracks, let's look at some examples. 1. The loud noise stopped her dead in her tracks, her heart pounding from the shock. 2. The unexpected sight of the wild animal in his backyard froze him dead in his tracks. 3. The company's plans for expansion were stopped dead in their tracks by the economic downturn. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, from physical movement to metaphorical applications like plans or actions. Here are some tips to remember when using this phrase. Use it to emphasize a sudden or complete stop. It's most effective when describing scenarios with an element of surprise or abruptness. It can be applied to both literal and figurative situations. Whether someone physically stops moving, or plans come to an unexpected halt, this phrase is appropriate. Be mindful of the tone. This expression often conveys a sense of urgency or intensity. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning, origins, and use of the phrase, dead in one's tracks. English is full of such vivid expressions that can add color and depth to our conversations. Remember, the key to mastering these phrases is not just understanding their meanings but also practicing them in your daily conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more interesting aspects of the English language.